Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and I saw this question about the link generator and wanted to show you how it actually works. So there's two different versions that you may know about. The first one is called just the link generator. Now, the thing about this one is it does tie to your own membership, but it only ties to one product at a time. So this is a good thing to use if you're just sharing a link like, hey, come learn about On Guard, or here's a video about On Guard, and you want people to then be able to buy from you because they watch that link. But it's great if it's a basic enrollment. If you want to educate about a single product, like let's say I wanted to come and educate about the balance blend, it'll generate a link for me. And now if I copy that link and go to it, we can educate people about balance. And it just goes to the product information page on Doterra's website. But you can see right here, it says my ID number, use pure oils. So it's great for that. Great to enter into blogs or things like that. There's some great educational videos. And so if you're sharing just simple links, this is the way to go. Or if your focus is on education, this is the way to go. However, a lot of times when I'm working with people, I want to give them a custom cart. I don't want them to just enroll with a basic kit. I want to also be able to have it include the adaptive I mentioned in our call together, or I want them to be able to add on wild orange, or to make it really simple for somebody. Maybe I'm helping them with a specific health concern. I want to be able to say, here's the 7 products that you should order, and not have them have to each individually click on each link and add it into their cart, because people can get lost in that. So this is what I use more than the labs link generator. If you log into your back office right here and just go in, log in, and this is only if you are a wellness advocate. I don't think it works the same if you are a wholesale customer, but you can upgrade anytime. Okay, so you want to come right here and then go account profile. And then just scroll down right here to where it says link generator. And this works different. So what you can do right here is you can send them an entire cart that'll have everything you discussed in a call, or in a class or something like that, and they can just go purchase it. And so if you're going to have them sign up, you can click that one, or if it's just a shopping bag, but I have everybody enroll because nobody needs to pay extra. So it confirms that that's my account. Almost everybody will start as a wholesale customer. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to pick where I want them to begin. So this particular customer is going to start with a healthy home kit, but she also wants to add on Guard right now because she is focused on health. So we're going to add on a sanitizing mist. We're going to add on a On Guard oil. And you can see how simple this is, right? I could add on the adaptive system. And now she is prepared for everything that's happening. And then I can generate the link. Okay. I convert this to a short link because that looks a lot more friendly. And now I can take that and I can text it out to anybody, or I can put it in my email list, and it'll always lead to this exact cart. So I'm using this tool every single week to work with individual customers, but also I'm putting it in my newsletter to prospects. So if I'm talking about a certain thing, like if it's a spring cleaning email, I could have a cart to spring cleaning. If I were working on people that are focused on mental wellness, I could have it include the emotions kit as well as lifelong vitality and adaptive. If I were working with somebody who's an athlete, I could create an athlete card. So you can see that there's endless ways that you could use this tool. This one works a lot better than just the single link generator, in my opinion, because it helps people get everything they need. And then when they go to click that link, let's just pretend I shared it to Susie, and Susie's going to go, oh, I got to log out first. Let me log out. And then you'll see what she sees. Okay. Sign out. Maybe. Okay, there we go. So let's say I text it to my friend and I say, hey, here's everything that we talked about in a convenient cart. They don't have to think about it. It's super easy. And then she can just sign up right now and she can enter in her info. And then she can say, you know what? I won't need On Guard. That's already in here. And she can adjust the cart however she wants. So I put extra stuff in for them, and that works great. My last recommendation on this is to keep track of your links. If you're using them frequently for lots of people, or maybe you're doing some marketing and you know that you're constantly talking about basic kits, just keep track of your links right here so that you don't have to keep building the same carts over and over. And so I can even put Susie's On Guard kit plus adaptive, and I could save that link there. And now I've got it ready to go. And this will save you a lot of time in recreating carts over and over and over. So I saw the question from somebody who will consistently be talking to her clients about the same types of products. I would just keep track of it and then you'll be all set to go. So hopefully this helps you. It is a time saver and is great to help you connect with people in an easy way for them to get their products too. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out.